In front of me is Xiaomi 13 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can set up screen lock on this Xiaomi. First of all, go into settings. Now scroll down and click on fingerprints, face data and screen lock. Following that, select screen lock and tap on the best login method for you, pattern, PIN or password. Now wait 5 seconds and select Got it in the pop-up. Over here you need to create your login method and then repeat it in order to confirm it. When you finished, just confirm at the bottom right corner. In order to add your fingerprint right away, select Add in the pop-up. If you don't want to do that, click on Cancel. So now when I switch off my screen, then turn it back on, I can see that pattern is now required. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!